If I see one more Instagram caption or email newsletter that starts with, "In today's fast-paced digital world, I am going to scream." And your customers are doing the exact same thing. They are scrolling right past it. Everyone is using ChatGPT, Claude, and Midjourney right now, but 99% of business owners are using them to generate cold, robotic, boring content. Content that sounds like a corporate training manual. AI hasn't made marketing easier, it has just made it easier to be loud and boring. But there is a 1% of creators and business owners who are quietly making sales using AI. They aren't using it to write essays. They are using it to do something much more powerful: storytelling. They are using AI to find the human struggle, design high-converting visual concepts, and create marketing campaigns that make people actually feel emotion. Because humans don't buy products. We buy emotions. Today, I'm giving you my exact 3-step AI storytelling framework that you can use to sell absolutely anything. Whether you sell handmade skincare, consulting services, or online courses, this framework works. No coding, no complex tech, just pure business psychology. Before we talk about the solution, we have to talk about why your AI content isn't selling. When you ask a standard AI like ChatGPT to write a promotional post for your brand, it lacks one crucial thing: empathy. AI doesn't know what it's like to look in the mirror at 7 in the morning, see a breakout, and feel a sudden drop in self-confidence before a big business presentation. It doesn't know the pain, so it defaults to listing features, telling people that your cream has hyaluronic acid and is organic. But nobody cares about the ingredients until they care about the person holding the bottle. If you want your AI tools to create magic, you have to stop treating AI like a calculator and start treating it like a creative director. To do this, we use the HST formula: hook, struggle, and triumph. Step 1 is the struggle. Most people write prompts starting with their product. Don't do that. Start by asking the AI to analyze the silent, frustrating thoughts your customer has when they are at their lowest point of frustration. Instead of asking for a marketing caption, ask the AI to write the scene in the tone of a close friend venting via text message. Suddenly, the AI stops saying, "Unlock your potential," and starts saying, "I'm staring at this blank screen, the kids are finally asleep, and I'm just too tired to think." Now, you have a hook that actually stops the scroll because it sounds like a real human. Step 2 is the visual contrast. Once you have the story, you need the visuals. If you are generating images, don't just create a generic, perfect photo of your product sitting on a table. That is boring. Use AI to show the contrast of the struggle and the triumph. If you're selling a productivity planner, do not generate an image of a clean leather notebook. I feel like I'm painting a picture with data. Instead, generate a close-up shot of a spilled coffee cup, messy papers, and a laptop open in a dark room. Why? Because that image captures the feeling of being overwhelmed. Your audience sees that image, and they instantly recognize themselves in it. You've hooked them visually and emotionally before they even read a single word of your offer. Step 3 is the triumph. This is where you introduce your product, but not as a thing to buy. You introduce it as the hero that solves the struggle. You ask the AI to write a quick transition showing how your product acts as the turning point, focusing on the feeling of relief. And just like that, you have a complete, emotionally charged marketing campaign. Let's look at a quick, real-world example to show you how powerful this is. Let's say you sell lavender-scented candles. The average business owner tells AI to write a caption about their candle. And the AI says, "Experience the soothing aroma of our hand-poured lavender wax. Order now." That gets 0 sales. But if you use the storytelling framework, You tell the AI to write about the struggle of high-stress office workers who can't turn off their brains after a long day. The visual you generate isn't just a candle. It's a warm, cozy room, soft rain hitting the window outside, and a single candle flame glowing softly in the dark.
Your caption reads, "You've spent 9 hours answering messages, emails, and calls. Your brain is still racing."
Light this, close your laptop, and let the workday officially end. Which candle are you buying? The hand-poured wax or the official end to your chaotic workday? You're buying the feeling of relief, and the AI helped you build that entire concept in 5 minutes.
Listen, AI is a tool. If your business's message is boring, AI will just help you be boring faster. But if you inject human psychology and storytelling into your prompts, nobody will ever guess that AI helped create your campaigns.
Stop asking AI to write for you. Start asking AI to help you understand and feel what your customers actually care about.
If you want to start using this framework in your business, I can show you exactly how to do it. Join the AI-powered Business Bootcamp and learn how to use AI strategically to grow your business.
The next batch is starting soon, and all the details about the AI-powered Business Bootcamp will be in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more and join the next batch of the AI-powered Business Bootcamp.
And if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and stay connected for more practical AI tips.
Leave a comment telling me what business you run, because I might just use your business as an example in my next video.